How to remove saved login info on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to the account actions section, and from there click on saved login info. Now, as you can see right here, this saved login info is related to this device, and it has an icon next to it, the red one. Click on it. Once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that says delete this device, and it tells you, are you sure you want to delete the saved login information from this device? Click on yes to confirm, and as you can see, this saved login info has been cleared from this device. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear the saved login info on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.